Have you ever met someone who endlessly speaks of huge dreams, launching a company, achieving success, transforming their life, yet months go by, years pass, and they remain stuck in the same spot? Why does the mind ever turn into the primary barrier without us noticing? However, the positive news is this can be corrected. First, they pick targets lacking clarity. Many individuals picture success in blurry shapes. I want riches. I want liberty. I want improved tomorrows. But the brain struggles to execute fuzzy aims. Psychologically speaking, indistinct goals generate zero direct behavioral orders. So the mind feels charged, yet the body doesn't know the next move. How to fix this? Convert each aspiration into one visible, measurable, immediate step. Second, they rely on emotion to trigger action. Some people only work when feeling excited, inspired, or mentally high. But feelings shift each day. So when drive fades, effort fades alongside it. This forms a harmful loop where progress depends on mood, and moods are fickle. Why trust your future to such fickle, unreliable feelings? How to correct it? Train yourself to begin tasks in neutral emotional states, not when motivated. Third, they underestimate how uncomfortable growth feels. People visualize success but rarely visualize confusion, boredom, rejection, repetition, or slow progress. So when genuine effort becomes frustrating, they assume something's broken. Psychology indicates many quit because discomfort catches them off guard. They expected thrill, not irritation. How to solve it? Expect the process to feel unpleasant at times. That makes discomfort seem normal, not sign of failure. Fourth, they hold dreams only in the mental realm. Talking, imagining, planning, researching, all internal activity. It feels productive, yet nothing tangible shifts. The longer a goal stays strictly in thought, the looser its connection to real behavior. Isn't it strange that we expect change while staying completely still? How to repair it? Execute one physical action toward your goal each single day, however small it might be. Fifth, they secretly believe time is limitless. This quiet psychological trap removes urgency when people assume they can start later. Tomorrow feels available. Next month feels available. So action keeps getting pushed off without alarm. Because the mind perceives time as an endless supply. How to fix it? Create personal deadlines that make postponement feel costly for your progress. Sixth, they prioritize results over tolerance. Most ask, how do I win? But psychology poses a better question. What amount of repetition, boredom, and uncertainty can I endure consistently? Because dreams aren't constructed by wanting alone. They are built by the capacity to persist when outcomes stay hidden. That capacity is what most dreamers never develop. Desire lights the match. Tolerance keeps the fire. How to fix it? Practice remaining with unexciting tasks longer than feels natural each day. A dream without a daily touch remains a ghost. If you appreciate uncovering the subtle psychology driving human actions and how to apply it to rewire your thinking, then hit subscribe to MindSense. Because what often chains people in place is a force operating within their heads.